I'm Matt Stuckey. I'm the president of Stuckey Automotive, which is 5 dealerships in central Pennsylvania, and also Stuckey Automotive Collision Center, which is a collision repair facility here in Duncansville.
I'm Eric Palmer. I'm the executive director here at the Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center.
So my family has had a long history with the Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center, mainly because we employ a large number of technicians, and this is just a great place for us to meet those folks and help them start their career off in something automotive related is our niche, but there's lots of niches here, so we're happy to support what they're doing.
So the CTC is always trying to stay current in what we're doing here, and we can't stay current without the feedback of our industry partners, and today signifies something way greater than just feedback, and that's a significant donation to us in terms of new technology in these vehicles sitting before us that our students are going to be able to wrench on and use and learn how to become competent technicians that may transition to your facility. The donation of these 2 vehicles allow us to upgrade the technology we're able to introduce to our students. So we always pride ourselves on staying on the cutting edge of technology, and in the automotive market, things move fast. So the donation of these 2 vehicles bring us into the modern day technology for our students, where computer-driven vehicles, heavy levels of electronics, and without exposure to that, our students really aren't marketable out there in today's industry. So these donations are really going to help bring them to the forefront.
You know, these are much more modern cars. Eric, I was in here a month or 2 ago, and you were talking about all the vehicles you had from the 80s and 90s.
Right.
So, here's some teens at least. We're a whole lot closer. Computer-controlled transmissions, all the infotainment systems. Hope you guys got your laptops ready.
We're ready. Certainly our students need to perform not only what traditionally is thought of as mechanic work, everything from the computer systems to the infotainment systems you mentioned, and these vehicles will help those students gain exposure to that, and while we may break some things along the way, it's in pursuit of training the students on how to learn to fix them.
Yeah.
So the addition of these vehicles into our automotive program, our automotive technology, collision repair program, our auto diesel program, all of our programs together will benefit from the students' exposure to this new technology. And we're really excited to be able to introduce our students to the next level of technology so they can make proficient technicians when they leave us. Matt, thank you so much for the partnership with Stuckey Automotive, the donation of these 2 vehicles, and your continued partnership to help advance our students and our programs here at the CTC.
Well, it's our pleasure. Keep up the good work in here, and we got great opportunities for your students in our business and in the community in general. So we're really excited to be able to partner with the GACTC here with these new vehicles, and I'm most excited to see where these great students land. There's great opportunities in all the technical fields, especially automotive, so learn a lot.